This is our number 3 invisible finish zipper. See, they have a many color for your choosing, and you can tell us the size. We can make the size according to your requirement. Now let's see our invisible zipper quality. First, let's see the tension. You see, it can be closed again very quickly after we open it. It means this is a quality is high. And about this running result, you see it's very smooth. For this particular testing, it can be reached more than 900 times. And now let's see the application. This is a ladies girl, and it's selling about $45 in China. It lands smooth. And let's see this side. See, very good. Okay, so if you need invisible zipper, contact us. Thank you.